Uh-huh. We strolling right now. Puerto, he collecting something over there. I don't know what it is, but it's something. It's something. We got to keep going. Yep. We're almost there to the beautiful scene.
Okay, so look, we don't want to leave you. Call you to come over here. Yeah, I'm good. In this spot, you can beat. Okay. All right.
It's a little different
so if
right
you want,
here.
you can,
From
I
the
can help
last
you out.
time I've
Go down
been,
this way.
and every time I came, it was different.
Keep following Jonathan, guys. Make sure you stay
It's
close to
beautiful.
each
See
other.
that scene right there, Debo? Show them that scene right there. It's dope. But they warn you though, you know, watch your step. If you don't,
Bust your ass.
it's gonna be a long since all.
Wait a minute, y'all can go around me. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it.
Can't be the mud.
It's like the Eno. Hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You good, Debo?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah.
I live at the Eno. It's like the Eno. Eno River.
Alright. I'll be down here. Don't look for me to swim either.
Shit.
I'll be doing what I'm doing. Till I can't do it no more. Yeah. Real time, real footage. We giving it to y'all raw and uncut.
This camera is amazing.
Appreciate that.
You know it.
Thank you, Samsung. This the
For
old
real.
one too. This the 21. We on the 26th edition.
God.
So, welcome to the beautiful. I'm not gonna.
All right, listen up.
All right, and I'm going.